Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Alpulsin book bag. I've already been using this for a month now, and let's get into it and I'll show you all the different features that it has. So let me show you how to here. You're gonna unzip this, take out the bag right like so. You're gonna put your basketball like here, and then you're gonna attach this clip to one side and attach this to the other side. And now your basketball is nice and securely attached to your backpack, so you don't have to worry about losing it. So this is a great feature for any balls: soccer, basketball, volleyball, anything. This is how the book bag looks. You have your pocket right here, deep pockets, and you can hold a lot of stuff. You could clip different things here. You have another pocket here, holds more items. You have another zipper on the side here that holds more. Has two pockets right here, different things. It has a good handle, very strong handle. With this handle here, the back has cushion shoulder and a cushion back. You have a front clip. And it's made very well. And you have your water bottle holder here and here. So this is a good book bag.